worse. They're very dangerous. The Hannibal Lecter description is horrifying. How did they get out? Because not only did they get out of this maximum security jail, but it took 16 hours, I think, before anybody noticed they were gone.
Well, the way they got out of the jail was in fact quite unique. They would access an area that is inaccessible through normal means of the jail. They access a mechanical area, which were then able to gain access to the ventilation system onto the roof, and then rappel from the roof down to the ground. And to do that, they had to actually breach 5 different security points or barriers to make that happen. So they were able to gain access to that area, we believe, over a course of time. And then to be able to get out and stay at large is the other part of it. They're in a very populated area. Orange County is just south of Los Angeles. It's a very urban area, and we do believe that whether they're still together or not, we don't know. It certainly would be nice for them to still be